Doubt may be the biggest obstacle of all. If you don't believe you can succeed, you won't. You can overcome doubt by maintaining a positive outlook. Focus on what you can do, not what you can't do. Hi, I'm Dr. Clark. When it comes to fitness, there are plenty of obstacles that can get in your way. Perhaps the biggest is FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Fear is a natural response that helps you feel safe. But when it's fear of failure or disappointment, it can also keep you from pushing past your comfort zone to try new things like getting in shape. Visualize yourself overcoming your fitness fears, and you'll be more likely to overcome them in real life. Uncertainty crops up when you're trying something new, like a new workout routine. Preparation will help you overcome uncertainty. Create a strategy to accomplish your goals. Working with a trained fitness professional can help you overcome uncertainty. Doubt may be the biggest obstacle of all. If you don't believe you can succeed, you won't. You can overcome doubt by maintaining a positive outlook. Focus on what you can do, not what you can't do. Setting specific, realistic, measurable goals, envisioning success, and getting support can also help you overcome self-doubt.
Sit back, tighten those abs, lift, lift. Come on, touch that floor, come on, come on, come on. Really breathe, come on, baby. We have 5 seconds. I want you to take your hands and put it just like this. And I want you to take your right leg, you're gonna lift the right leg up, let your left elbow touch the knee. You're gonna do this for 10 seconds, go. Just touch and touch. I want you to rotate and tighten those abs up. We have 5 seconds. We're gonna go to the opposite side in 3, 2, and 1. Other side, do it again, go. Come on, keep those abs tight. Give me that rotation, there we go, baby. How we feeling?
Feeling good.
Oh, that's what I'm liking. 3 seconds, 2, and 1. Now keep your hands there and you're gonna lift the leg up just like this. Come on, sit back, tighten those abs up, lift, lift. Come on, touch that floor, come on, come on, come on. Really breathe, come on, baby. We have 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, stay there. Let the hands drop down. We're gonna go to seated jacks. I want you to come just like this. Do this 10 seconds, ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm watching you. Faster, 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 faster. Keep that chin up, tighten those abs. We have 5, 4. I like your smile. 3, 2, and 1. Good. Now, we're at work, so I want you to think about somebody you want to knock out without knocking them out. You're going to take that attention and put that person in front of you, and I want you to punch like this. Go. Fast, 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 fast. Faster. I can tell that you never had a fight in your entire life. Fight, 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 fight. Go, 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 go. Push. 3, 2, and 1. That's what I'm talking about. Touch
That
me.
was great.
Stay focused. Make sure you maintain proper form. 3, 2, 1. Starting position. Make sure that your elbows are directly below your shoulders, feet hip width apart, pointed straight, glutes tight, belly button sucked in. We'll hold this position for a 3 count before controlling ourselves back down. We'll perform a total of 15 reps this set. You ready? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Great job, come on. 3, 2, 1. Excellent. And up, 3, 2, 1. And up, 3, 2, 1. Stay focused. Make sure you maintain proper form. 3, 2, 1. And up, 3, 2, 1. And up, 3, 2, 1. Great job. And up, 3, 2, 1. And up, 3, 2, 1. Make sure you squeeze those glutes. And up, 3, 2, 1. 5 more. 3, 2, 1. And up, 3, 2, 1. Let's finish strong, come on. And up, 3, 2, 1. Last 2. Up, 3, 2, 1. Last one, come on. Up, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Squeeze those glutes at the top. Very important to stabilize the spine. curl, and press. Excellent. Starting position. Feet hip width apart, toes pointed forward. Maintain a good posture by drawing your shoulders back, sucking your belly button in. From this position, we're going to curl the dumbbells up towards the shoulders, then press overhead towards the ceiling. Squeeze your glutes, keep your core tight, bring the dumbbells back down towards your shoulders and return them back to starting position. We'll perform a total of 15 reps this set. You ready? Let's go. Squeeze and press. Excellent. Focus on maintaining form and alignment. Squeeze and press. Excellent. Make sure you squeeze your glutes. Keep your core tight. Take your time. Focus on form and position. Press. Great job. Curl and press. Excellent. And press. Squeeze those glutes at the top. Very important to stabilize the spine. Curl and press. Excellent. Keep your core tight. And press. Excellent. Curl and press. We're almost there. Keep working with me. Curl and press. Great job. We have 5 more. Let's finish strong. That's 5. And 4. And 3. And 2. And last one. And press. Control it down. Great job. Up, squeeze. That's 2. This is the last one. Up. Starting position. Make sure your feet are hip width apart, toes pointed forward, shoulders back, arms extended, palms up towards the ceiling. From this position, we will extend our hips up, squeezing our glutes at the top, briefly pausing before lowering back down. Maintain control and proper alignment throughout. We'll perform 15 reps of this exercise. You ready? Let's go. Up, squeeze, control it down. Up, squeeze, control it down. Up, squeeze, control it down. Great job, come on. Up, squeeze, control it down. Up, squeeze, control it down. Make sure your feet stay straight. Make sure you keep your belly button sucked in. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Excellent job. Up, squeeze, control it down. Up, squeeze, control it down. Up, squeeze, control it down. 5 more. Squeeze. That's 5. Up, squeeze. That's 4. Up, squeeze. That's 3. Up, squeeze. That's 2. This is the last one. Up, squeeze, control it down.